Hello friend, welcome back. In our previous video, we successfully complete our logging, right? So right now in this video, I want to customize our register page as per our theme. So our process will be just like that same. First of all, I want to do and to find out our route that will be as a register. If you go to our project into the project area, right now we don't need this logging HTML, we don't need this. And that is our logging. Okay, so now if you go to our view, that means resources view, there is also another default file as a register. You can see the same process. Now we'll actually copy everything from here. Better I copy it, and I want to save it, and I want to save it because that will be needed. I want to take everything from here. Now that is our default one. I want to remove everything from here. Okay, now in our logging, from to the logging page, I copy everything, and now in our register page here I paste it. Okay, now I want to customize it a little bit. Like that should be one of the name will be as a not logging, it should be as a register. Okay, that will be as a register. Great, and now that will be on the form. Now I want to update this form. If you want to update it here, I want to take the default one. You can see that will be the same as a route. Default route will be as a register. Now I want to update it. Default route will be as a register. Now that should be some of the field. Here there is another field. Our first field is a name, and then email, and then the password, and then the confirmation password, right? So there is a 4 field now will be needed. Now better I want to do from here, I want to better copy it, and here I paste it. So now that is our another one, and that is will be for the password. I want to copy it, and now after that I want to paste it. Great. So now simple process we have to do. First of all, that will be as a name, and here for the name, if you go for the name, that will be our ID will be needed as a name, text type will be as a text type, and name will be as a name. That is our database field name, right? Now also I want to update it right now. That will be our ID will be as a name, and our type name will be as a name, and type will be as a text type. Okay, so there is 3 things. Remember, there is a type, name, and then ID. Great. So now that is our email will be the same as a type email, and then our name will be email, ID will be email. If you go our default one, you can see that is ID, type, and then name. Great. And then the password will be the same as a password ID, type will be password, name will be password. If you go, I have already done this job. That is a password, name password, type will be password, and then that will be the confirm password, right? I want to update it, so that will be as a confirm password, but I copy it. Now that will be as a confirm password. Okay, great. So for the confirm password, our process will be same. Here ID will be needed, and type will be password, name will be password confirmation. I want to take it. Our ID will be password confirmation, type will be password, name will be password confirmation. That is default, all that have name I have used, and that will be the register now. Great. So friend, that's all. Okay, that's all you have to do. How much easily we do this work. I hope friend you like it very much. Now if you click as a save all, and now if you go, I want to check it. Now if you click as a refresh, yeah, you can see it's now successfully updated, right? Successfully updated our register, breaking news, our header, menu, everything is successfully loaded, footer is successfully loaded, and that is our form. So you can see there's one of the placeholder. I want to also change that placeholder right now. That will be as a placeholder as a name. Okay, name, and that will be as an email, that will be as a password, that will be as a confirm password. Okay, I make it as a confirm password. That's all. Click as a save all. Now that should be updated. You can see there is a name, email, and then password, confirm password. So from here, if you want to register some of the user, now that is our default one. I have already updated. Now that should be work. Like right now here, I have already created some of the users. So now I want to create another new one. I want to create as a hello @gmail.com. And then I want to register it with the Udemy 12345, Udemy 12345. So that is our default one. It should be work. Now click as a register. Now this user should be registered. Yes, you can see you are successfully now able to access our dashboard. right? And also now that should be on the new user. Click as a browse. Yes, you can see that is a hello is successfully inserted, our name is inserted, our email address is inserted, the verified. I have already covered the how you can add that forget password, how can verify your email address in our previous fundamental section. I have already covered everything with the live example. So right now I don't want to recap it again in here. I hope you already know how to do this work, okay? Because a lot of the things we have to cover for our news project. Now step by step we have to done this job. So I have already done this job before, so make that sure you complete that verified. If you want to update some of the forget password, if you want to get that verified from by the email, how to do this work I have already covered. And that is a password, you can see it's inserted by the hash password. Great. And role by default, that is our user role, and you can see status as a active. That is a default, I have already set up it before. Great. That means our register page is also now successfully done, right? Here we successfully customize our login page, we successfully customize our register page. So friend, in our next video I want to do when user will be successfully logging, that is our user dashboard, and here that is now loaded Breeze default dashboard. So now I want to load our custom Frontend dashboard in here, that user will be able to update their all information, and also user will be able to update their password, so which I have already covered for our admin. So now the same things we have to apply it, our functionality will be just like that same. So I hope it will be very easy to you. So in the next video I will complete our dashboard, that means our default user dashboard, okay? So thanks for watching, I will see you in the next video.